Hi everyone, today we are making a delicious and hearty green lentil soup that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. First, take your green lentils and place them in a pot. Cover them with enough water, making sure it's slightly above the lentils. Boil them for about 5 minutes. This will remove the dark water from the lentils. Once boiled, drain and rinse them thoroughly. Now, in another pot, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once butter melted, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and let's fry it 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the washed rice and bulgur. Stir them in, then add the boiled lentils. Next, season the mixture with 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon each of paprika, red pepper flakes, black pepper and dried mint. Mix everything well before pouring in 1.5 liters of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer on medium heat for about 40 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to come together beautifully. And that's it, our flavorful Mediterranean cuisine green lentil soup is ready to serve. It's delicious and packed with flavor. Give it a try and let me know how yours turn out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Dancing Kitchen.